Why most professionals are using AI the wrong way. Most people are using AI like a chatbot, but the real shift is AI agents. A chatbot answers questions. An AI agent can actually do the work. It can open files, browse the web, organize information, use tools, remember instructions, and keep working toward a goal until the task is finished. That is why AI agents may become one of the biggest workplace changes of 2026. Welcome back to AI Technology Chronicles. This is the show where we break down the latest AI news, tools, and trends so corporate professionals and anyone interested in AI can stay informed, sharpen their skills, and prepare for this AI revolution. Today, we're talking about AI agents, why they are different from chatbots, and how professionals on LinkedIn can use them to save time, build authority, and work smarter. The big idea is simple. A chatbot can tell you how to do something, but an AI agent can actually do it. A chatbot can explain how to organize files. An agent can read the files, rename them, sort them into folders, and build a spreadsheet. A chatbot can help write a LinkedIn post. An agent can research the topic, draft the post, organize a content calendar, and prepare follow-up ideas. A chatbot can help you prepare for a meeting. An agent can research the company, summarize key points, and create a briefing before you walk in. That is the difference. One gives advice, the other executes. And this is where Dario Amodei becomes the right figure for this story. As the CEO of Anthropic, Dario Amodei is connected directly to Claude and Claude Code, one of the major AI agent tools driving this conversation. Claude Code is not just for coding. It can also help with file cleanup, document parsing, screenshots, PDFs, and computer-based tasks when given clear instructions. Before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe to AI Technology Chronicles. Follow the podcast on your favorite podcast platform, and if you're watching on YouTube, hit subscribe so you do not miss the daily breakdowns on the latest AI news, tools, and trends shaping the future of work. Now let's keep going. For professionals on LinkedIn, AI agents could become a serious advantage. A job seeker could use an agent to track jobs, customize resumes, draft outreach messages, and prepare interview notes. A recruiter could use an agent to summarize resumes, organize candidates, draft job descriptions, and follow up with applicants. A salesperson could use an agent to research prospects, summarize company news, create talking points, and draft follow-up emails. A creator could use an agent to turn one idea into a LinkedIn post, newsletter, short video script, carousel, and content calendar. A business owner could use an agent to handle research, admin work, marketing ideas, customer follow-up, and weekly reporting. This is why AI agents are different. They do not just respond, they work toward a goal. The basic structure is simple: language model, tools, memory, goals, and a loop. That loop is observe, think, and act. The agent observes what is happening, thinks about the next step, acts with a tool, checks the result, and keeps going until the goal is complete. But there is a warning. Agents are powerful, but they are not magic. If you give an agent a vague prompt, you can get messy results. That is why professionals need a prompt contract. A prompt contract has 4 parts: goal, constraints, format, and failure. The goal tells the agent what finished looks like. The constraints tell the agent what not to do. The format tells the agent how the final result should be delivered, and failure tells the agent what to do if it gets stuck. Here's the real takeaway. Dario Amodei and Anthropic are showing us that the next stage of AI is not just conversation, it is execution. The professionals who win will not be the ones who only ask AI for answers. They will be the ones who give AI agents clear goals, strong guardrails, and useful memory. So the lesson for today is simple. Stop using AI only like a chatbot. Start thinking of AI agents as digital coworkers. Give them clear goals, give them rules, check their work, and use them to become more valuable, not less human. If you got value from today's episode, make sure you follow and subscribe to AI Technology Chronicles for more daily breakdowns on the latest AI news, tools, and trends shaping the future of work. This is AI Technology Chronicles, and we'll see you on the next episode, my friends.